In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on the LinkedIn app effectively. In just around 5 minutes, you'll master the quick steps to ensure you're logging out correctly, whether it's for privacy reasons, switching accounts, or just a habitual sign-off at the end of your browsing session. Let's dive right into it. We'll start from the very beginning. After you've enjoyed browsing jobs, networking, or catching up on industry news on LinkedIn, you might be wondering, how do I log out from this app on my mobile device? It's a great question and a very important step to maintain your online security and privacy. First and foremost, if you're not already in the app, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the LinkedIn app. You'll land on your home feed where you see all the latest posts from your connections and your followed pages. Now you might assume the logout option is immediately visible, but LinkedIn likes to keep things neat and tucked away, so the next step is crucial. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Do you see your profile photo? That's your gateway to several account options, including the logout feature. Tap on your profile photo with care. This action will reveal a menu with various options showing sections like View Profile, Settings, and so on. From this list of options, you need to find the Sign Out button. It might seem like a needle in a haystack at first glance, but it's there. Blend in among options such as Settings and Privacy, Help, and Feedback. When you locate the Sign Out button, give it a tap. This is the digital equivalent of saying goodbye to LinkedIn until your next visit. A common question at this point is, have I really logged out? If you followed the steps correctly, yes, you have. However, it's always good practice to close the app completely from your recent apps menu or restart your device for that extra layer of security, especially if you're using a shared or public device. And there you have it. Just a couple of simple steps, and you've successfully logged out of the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps your account safe. Remember, regularly logging out of apps and websites, especially on devices that aren't yours, is a good habit to cultivate. It helps protect your information and ensures that your digital presence is kept secure. Thanks for spending these 5 minutes with me. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you now feel more confident navigating the logout process on LinkedIn. Until next time, stay connected, stay secure, and happy networking.